Do you ever feel like your mind just won't stop? Even when you sit down to rest, your thoughts keep racing, replacing conversations, worrying about the future, or jumping from one thing to the next. An overreactive mind isn't a sign that something is wrong with you. It's often a sign that your nervous system has been overstimulated for too long. In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple daily habits that help quiet an overreactive mind gently, naturally, and without forcing yourself to think positive. Habit number 1. Start the day without immediate input. One of the biggest reasons our mind feels overwhelmed is because we start the day already consuming information. Reaching for your phone the first thing in the morning floods your brain with stimulation before it's ready. Try this instead. Take the first 10 to 30 minutes of the day without screens. Breathe, stretch, or sit quietly. Let your mind wake up slowly. This small habit sets the tone for a calmer day and reduces mental clutter before it begins. Habit number 2. Practice thought awareness, not control. Many people try to quiet their mind by fighting their thoughts, and that usually makes things worse. Instead of trying to stop your thoughts, try observing them. When a thought arises, notice it. Name it gently. Was it worry? Was it planning? Or was I remembering something? Let it pass without engaging. Awareness creates space. Control creates resistance. Habit number 3. Move your body gently every day. An overreactive mind often means energy is stuck in your head. Gentle movement helps bring that energy back into your body. This doesn't have to be intense. You can do walking, stretching, yoga, light movement in the fresh air. Even 10 to 30 minutes a day can help your thoughts feel less loud and more grounded. Habit number 4. Create a mental pause ritual. Your mind needs regular pauses, not just at night. Choose a simple ritual that signals your brain it's okay to slow down. For example, a cup of tea without distractions, a few slow breaths before meals, stepping outside for fresh air. This pauses teaches your nervous system that it doesn't have to stay in constant alert mode. Habit number 5. End the day by letting the mind unload. An overreactive mind often comes from holding too much inside. Before bed, take a few minutes to unload your thoughts. Write down worries. Make a simple to-do list for tomorrow. Reflect without judgment. So, this will help your mind rest instead of replaying everything once you lie down. And that helps you get better sleep. Quieting an overreactive mind isn't about becoming perfectly calm or thought-free. It's about creating daily habits that help your mind feel safe, supported, and less overwhelmed. If this video resonates with you, take a moment to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments which habit you are going to try first. And remember, peace doesn't come from doing more. It comes from learning how to soften. Thank you for watching.